Hello, in this video we're going to discuss the sorting or the sort button that's found in every screen in the Ledger program. Let's start with the setup screen, and you notice in this screen there's a sort button right up there next to the print button. And when you click on that sort button with your left mouse button, it'll actually sort all the entries in this category list by alphabetical order. So, for example, if you were to enter a new entry, ABC category, let's say, and we'll put our split percentage in there, 80-20. And we'll just not put that on the financial statement, just uncheck that. And you can see that it's ABC, but it's not alphabetic, so it just sits there. And then when you go to your monthly screen, you can see that it shows up here at the bottom of the list rather than in alphabetical order. So if you want it to be out of alphabetical order, you just simply enter the items and don't click on the sort button, and they'd be in any order you like. But if you'd rather them be alphabetic, then you click on the sort button right there, and that's it. So now you see ABC categories at the very top along with the split we entered, and it all sorted out perfectly. When you go to the monthly screen, you see that it's at the top of the list as well. And so that's how sort works in the category screen. When you go to the monthly screen, there's a sort button right up here next to the date. You see that green sort button. When you click on the sort button when you're in the monthly screen, it's going to sort the transactions in that particular month that you're looking at in order of date from lowest to highest. So you can see these entries here. We got 18th of March, we got 17th, the 7th, the 4th, 10th, and they've been entered in all kinds of different order. So they're not sorted by date lowest to highest. So if you'd like to do that, all you need to do at any point in time, you can do this as often as you like, you click on that green sort button, and there you go. Now it's completely sorted out. 3rd, 4th, 7th, 9th, 10th, and so on in date order. And that's really convenient, especially when you're going to be doing your bank reconciliations and so on. And plus, even for future reference, you can scroll through your entries and find probably what you're looking for much quicker. So that's it. So every single month, you'll see that sort button on the monthly screen, and you're going to see that sort button on the category screen. Of course, in the report screen, there won't be any sort button. It's not required there. So that should take care of any questions, hopefully, that you have about how that new sort feature works in the Ledger program. And I hope you find it real handy. Thanks for tuning in.